Hello everybody! Today we're going to be looking at a couple of different Melissa and Doug sound puzzles. The first one is going to be At the Zoo sound puzzle, followed by On the Farm sound puzzle. Each of these puzzles is made of wood and has 7 pieces with 7 individual animal noises. Each piece is made of solid wood, and the back is also made of solid wood. As you look, the board itself is very thick and heavy duty, so you don't have to worry about it breaking with child use. On the back of each puzzle is a puzzle description, as well as an on-off switch and an area for batteries, which are not included. Here's a look at all of the different animal sounds made by the At the Zoo puzzle. And here are all the sounds made from the On the Farm sound puzzle. Toy. One thing to note is that the places for the animals are fairly sensitive, so if a child were to try to put the wrong animal in the wrong space, it still would make a noise. Overall, these are excellent little puzzles for kiddos who are learning their animal noises. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget, like and subscribe.